Okay guys, so welcome back to our channel. So para mabuo na natin yung complete PC build natin, the last two peripherals na gagamitin natin for the build ay itong webcam and keyboard and mouse from Havit. Let's go! Okay, so guys, so first time natin magkaroon or humawak nitong Havit brand ng keyboard and mouse combo at saka webcam nila. So I chose this product para din matest kasi mukhang maganda naman yung quality at saka mukhang fair price naman sila. So tara, buksan na natin to. So unahin natin itong webcam. Okay, so basic lang yung naman, diretso na webcam. So nasa loob siya ng clamshell. Okay, so nakadikit din yung USB cord niya sa webcam mismo. Uy, nice. Okay, so sa una kong tingin, akala ko wala siyang mounting para sa mga tripod. So meron pala. So goods yun. So, basic naman yung structure niya, yung the basic webcam. And then, tight din yung mga joints niya para sa stable na lapag. Pwede niya ilapag to sa monitor. So, bago tayo proceed, basahin lang natin yung other features ng ating webcam. So, this is a USB 2.0. So, I don't know kung may mga 3.0 na webcam na ganito. The video resolution is a 1080p. The frame rate is only 30 FPS. Pero hindi naman natin to gagamitin for like recording, like sa vlogging. So most of the time we will be using this as the substitute camera sa ating mirrorless. Baka kasi masira. Kasi itong mirrorless yung ginagamit natin for live streaming. So we are suggested na palitan with a webcam. Manual focus yung focusing method niya. Meron siyang 2 megapixel. CMOS yung sensor. Ang speed niya is 30 FPS on VGA. Ano pa meron dito? Okay, light requirement niya is the highest 150 lux. I believe yung lux is equivalent to 1 lumen per square foot or square inch. Not sure ba, parang ganun. Tapos, lowest niya is 2 lux. At meron siyang frequency control of 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Depende siguro sa system na gagamitin natin. And then, cable length niya is approximately 1.5 meters. Meron din siyang built-in microphone for speaking normally within 5 meters. So, hindi naman natin gagamitin ito as main microphone when streaming. So, goods pa rin siya na may additional microphone. So, features niya mainly is yung 1080p na full HD, transmission, high quality and so on. So, support yung tripod pala. Akala ko walang support yung tripod for this webcam. Meron din pala. So, webcam niya is built-in noise reduction for the microphone. So, okay na din pero hindi natin magagamitin as the main microphone. And can clearly capture the sound away from about 5 meters down. It supports up to Windows 10, Linux, and Mac computers. Okay, so this is the Havit HD Pro Webcam HV-HN17G model. So later, tatry natin kung ano yung magiging output. Pero I'm expecting nitong webcam is okay yung output, hindi naman natin gagamitin as a main vlogging camera. Okay, so proceed tayo dito sa ating keyboard. So combo keyboard and mouse from Havit din with the model number of KB269GCM. So combo na siya. buksan natin. Okay. Okay. So, yung keyboard nandito. Then, yung mouse. Meron dito, warranty yata to. Havit warranty. Okay, so yun lang yung laman. So, this is a wireless keyboard and mouse. Wala akong nakikitang controller or dongle for the keyboard. So, baka isang dongle lang para sa dalawa. Or, walang dongle, diretso sa Bluetooth receiver ng iyong wireless computers. So, downside din yun para dun sa mga PC users na walang dongle. So, inspect ko lang. Baka mayroon, nakatago lang. Wala. Wala din sa box. How about dito? Hindi ko sure kung meron dapat dito. Pero mukhang walang laman yung storage yung dongle. So, first time natin to nabuksan. Walang laman. So, I'll be asking the seller kung bakit walang kasamang dongle. Okay, so as for the feel naman sa pagpipindot, basic keyboard lang naman. Wala naman akong ini-expect na magandang keyboard na ganito yung presentation. So, tignan lang natin. So, meron siyang special na mga keys or button sa taas, yung red color. Meron siyang email ata to, my computer, parang mga shortcut keys for the PC. And this is a 100% keyboard size. So, meron siyang numpad dito sa kanang side. Wala naman masyado. Okay naman yung feel. Parang yung normal keyboard, yung mga favorite ko na keyboard dati, yung A4 Tech, na mga slim keyboard, yung Genius na keyboard, okay naman yung feel niya dito. So, as for the battery requirement, meron siyang required na, ayun, nandito yung dongle, nakatago. Dito tinago sa lagayan ng battery. So, meron siyang kasamang dongle. And then, it requires a single 1.5 volt AA battery. Same goes for the ating mouse. So, isa ding 1.5 volts AA battery sa dito. So, instead of having the dongle dito sa loob ng storage talaga sa mouse, nilagay nila doon sa kanilang storage for the battery sa keyboard. So, wala namang, meron pa siyang special buttons pala dito. I don't know, this is forward and backwards or play, parang play button. Meron din siyang trigger dito sa gitna and they scroll. Okay, so far, okay naman yung feel niya. Magaan. Okay yung click noise. Yun nga lang, medyo ma-loud siya pakinggan. Pero mas maganda yung loud pakinggan. Yung feel kasi ng mouse, mas maganda pag loud yung clicks para mas feel mo yung pagpindot when using it. Unlike nung mga sound or silent na mga clicks, medyo feeling mo hindi napipindot yung mouse. Okay, so I think yun lang. So magbi-b-roll na lang siguro kami for the testing of this keyboard and the mouse. Wala namang masyadong kakaiba dito sa gagamitin. And lalagay ko na lang din siguro sa pin comment if ever may ma-experience tayong pangit in terms of the quality nito pag ginagamit na talaga. on the comment section below. So, yun lang. So, I hope you like it. Kung gusto nyo mag-try ng Havit products, check nyo lang. I believe they are available on Shopee and Lazada. So, Havit keyboard and mouse combo and the Havit wireless mouse. So, thank you for watching. So, see you next time and watch out for the benchmarks of all the PC set na nabuo natin for the channel. So, bye-bye!